Pike push-up for beginners. If you're just starting out and you want to know how to do pike push-up the correct way, I'm going to show you in about 2 to 3 simple steps that you can do it. If you're just starting out doing pike push-up, it's going to be difficult for you because your hand is not going to flex for you to do the pike push-up properly. Um, I'm going to use these beer blocks right here to show you what I'm talking about. But anyway, I'm going to show you as you're about to do your pike push-up. It's best to it is best to put your feet in a closed position just like this, your arms wide apart, just like that, and you go down and you do your pike push-up like that. That's one way of doing it. The next way of doing it is your feet. You have to elevate your feet in an upright position like this, and you're gonna go down just like this, and that's how you do your pike push-up, just like that. But if you can't do that, it's best if you go back to like a wall, just like this right here, any type of wall, and you put your feet just like that. This way you have more leverage, more weight on the front end as you're doing your exercise. You go into your exercise just like this. Now the next thing that you could do, if that's hard, get like get like a either like a push-up handle, anything like that, or you get a beer block just like this. That way it'll be a little bit more easier. So what you do, as you can see on the beer blocks, you can rest your hand easily, and it has that contour on the beer blocks just like that. So as you're doing your push-ups, your pike push-up, it'll be easier for you to do it. But let me show you what I'm talking about. Leg up, your feet against the wall just like this. Your butt is in the air, and you're gonna position yourself just like this. And you're gonna go just like that. And this is the way you do your pike push-up. The beer blocks is gonna make it a whole lot more easier for you to do your pike push-up. You're just gonna position yourself the best way you could. Foot against the wall, just like this. You're gonna go down, just like that. And you do your pike push-up, just like that. So these make it a little more easier to do it. But I just want to do this quick video for you. If you're a beginner and you want to do pike push-up, so I just want to show you that quick video right there. If you're a beginner starting out, best to use like a beer blocks or push-up handle like that. You're gonna go, if you have a wall or something like that, you're gonna put your feet against the wall, you elevate that feet, so that will give you more leverage, more challenge, and stuff like that. What this exercise it works your upper chest area and your shoulders. So it's best to do this type of exercise maybe 1-2 times a week. If you're doing your regular push-up exercise, it's good to incorporate this exercise into your exercise routine once or twice a week, along with your regular push-ups. That way you could get a full, good, rounded exercise. You're exercising your upper chest muscle and your shoulders. So thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Pike push-up for beginners. If you're just starting out and you're pike push-up for beginners.